Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print the numbers in reverse order from n to 1. N is the range which is to be obtained from the user. You will see the demo. The variable n equal to integer of input of enter the range. The input statement prints enter the range, the string in the user's console. When user enter a range value, the input receives it as a string. The int function converts it as an integer and stores it in the variable n. Now I'm going to write the while loop. While n greater than or equal to 1 colon print n and I'm decrementing n by 1. N equal to n minus 1. So while is the keyword, n greater than or equal to 1 is the condition. If the condition is true, we have to give a colon in the end of the while loop. I am printing the value of n and decrementing n by 1. Again, n will get compared, which is greater than or equal to 1. If the condition is true, the statement will get executed. So the loop will print the value from n to 1 in the reverse order. Now we are going to execute the program and check the result. I'm entering a range 10. I'm getting a value 10 to 1. That's it. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.